Hey guys, Dan House Washing Heroes, just here doing a roof soft wash at Sandgate. And you can see these solar panels. The lichen on this roof is very thick. We've treated this quite strongly, sodium hypochlorite. Those solar panels have been cleaned, they're all done. But I just wanted to show you, you can see this lichen still sitting on there, and it is coming up. Just rub it. It just comes up quite easily. So we don't need to put a surface cleaner on this roof. This area here I've actually just done with low pressure and rinsed it all down, and it's come up really good. You can faintly see the footprints from the lichen on there. These ones here we're about to do. So these would actually just die off and rinse down with the next bit of rain and sun, but we're rinsing them off with the low pressure, and that's all it needs. So rather than stripping the paint off and using the high pressure and all that sort of stuff, sometimes it's easier just to be gentle with it, and it comes up just fine with the low pressure. So I just thought that might just be a bit of behind the scenes for you on this amazingly beautiful day. All right, catch you later, bye.